Hello, this is a slope on the side of the river north of Uji, Kyoto, and today is the last day of April, April 30th. So slope is extremely attractive botanically. There are flowers, there are multiple ferns. For example, part of slope is covered with kind of flowering fern, Asmunda, and also filmy ferns. But I apparently choose very unattractive part of that slope to show you flowering sedge. So yeah, this is flowering. Sounds funny, like a joke. Actually, it is already fruiting. Well, also sounds funny for people who don't know botany much. But yes, this is a sedge in flowers and sometimes also in young fruits. Sedges are not very advanced in attractiveness of their flowers because they are wind pollinated, but they are super-angiosperms, and this I would tell you about today. So super-angiospermy of sedges is related with their system of pollination and organization of flowers. First of all, flowers of sedges, of course, are very simplified. So to use wind as pollinators, you don't need anything which is intellectual, right? So flowers should not be very attractive. Reversely, you should produce as much pollen as possible, for example, and also will enlarge some receiver surfaces. So flowers consist either of pistil, it's a female flower, or of stamens, covered with multiple unattractive scales. But what is interesting, in sedges, there is additional organ which covers whole part of female inflorescence. So organ is perigenium. Sorry for the long name, but this is very important. So perigenium is the sign of super-angiospermy. Angiosperms are plants which differ from other seed plants because seeds and younger seeds like pre-seeds, ovules, are covered with additional cover. So this is angiospermy. Angion is a bottle, so seeds within a bottle. And in sedges, there is a second bottle. So this is a second cover which covers not only the pistil, and not only the female flower, but also, well, big part of female inflorescence. So one bottle which covers inflorescence, and within that bottle is one part of it, like female inflorescence is reduced to one pistillate female flower. And so will be a whole flower which consists of one pistil, which is a second bottle, second cover. And within that second cover, seed will be ripening. So this is additional protection, and this is a great achievement of sedges. So if you look on them closer, you will see how they are organized, at least from like kind of bird eye view, because to see the structure you need a microscope. Anyway, you will see that some parts of their generative structures are kind of, well, feather-like, very light or yellow or brownish. These are male inflorescences, now almost done. And then sometimes directly below the male inflorescence, sometimes apart from them, will be some greenish part which consists of multiple what? Of multiple young fruits which are covered with perigenia. So what you see actually are perigenia and additional scale. So perigenias are quite visible even on that smaller magnification. So perigenium is open on top, and the receiver surface of the pistil, like a style which will receive the pollen from outside, is going outside. So everything is kind of wisely done, I would say, and that additional cover probably is the reason of the great success. Sedges are extremely specious, one of the most specious group of monocots, like several thousand species of sedges. They especially abundant in the wet places on north and south hemisphere out of tropics. They're also present in tropics. So there's a very interesting group which partly, at least, this success is due to that super-angiospermy of sedges. So sedges are not only have edges, they also have this perigenia, and they develop it super-angiospermity, kind of additional cover which covers the whole female flower and even part of female inflorescence. Thank you very much.